Can you build an entire website within just 60 seconds? For the longest time, if you wanted a website that actually looked polished, you either had to spend weeks wrestling with complex builders or drop thousands of dollars on a developer. But honestly, those days might be behind us because we just built an entire high-end website in under 60 seconds without touching a single line of code. Today, we're looking at B12, an AI-driven platform that handles the heavy lifting of web design, SEO, and even client management tools automatically. We're going to walk through how you can go from a blank screen to a published site using just a one-line prompt. Now, the first thing that really strikes you about B12 is just how little it asks you to get started. Usually when you sign up for a website builder, you're met with a barrage of templates that all look the same, and then you're stuck trying to figure out how to swap out the stock photos.
With B12, users can input a prompt before they ever have to set up their account, which is very quick and painless anyway.
All you have to do is give it a single line prompt about what you're trying to build. You can also share any preferences about the site you're trying to build, like I want a blog with nutrition tips, or include a consultation scheduling page, or all imagery should be black and white. The AI agent takes that tiny bit of context and starts organizing everything in the background. It's not just picking a layout, it's actually pulling in industry-specific images, writing draft copy that makes sense for your niche, and structuring the pages so they flow logically. Seeing it happen is a bit of a trip because within about 60 seconds, you have a full multi-page draft ready to go. What used to take days of brainstorming, wireframing, and writing code is finished within the time it takes to check your emails. It really lowers the barrier for anyone who has a great idea but doesn't want to get bogged down in the how-to of web development. One thing to remind you is that B12 has a free plan for you to launch your website at no cost. Now, getting back to the work, once that initial site is up, you aren't just stuck with what the AI gave you, which is where things get even more interesting. B12 gives you this dual approach to editing that feels very intuitive. If you look at the top left corner of the editor, you'll see two main paths: Edit and AI Agent. Now, if you're the type who likes to get hands-on, the manual edit option lets you tweak things the old-fashioned way. But the real magic happens when you click that AI Agent button. It opens up a chat widget where you can literally talk to your website. The coolest part is that the AI is context-aware. Let's say you want to change up your navigation bar. Instead of hunting through a million settings menus, you just click on that specific section. The chat widget immediately recognizes you're focused on the header, and you can just type, "Hey, can we make these buttons a deep navy blue and change the font to something more modern?" Within seconds, it's done, and it only affects that one part of the site, so you don't have to worry about accidentally breaking the rest of your layout. If you want a bigger change, like a total overhaul of the hero section's layout, you just ask. It's incredibly fast and remarkably accurate. For someone who isn't a developer, this feels like having a pro sitting right next to you, taking notes and making changes in real time. It takes all the frustration out of the trial and error process. Beyond the main platform itself, B12 has actually expanded its reach directly into the OpenAI ecosystem. They've launched a tool called the Website Generator within the GPT store, and it's the most popular website tool in ChatGPT, with more than 4 million users. If you're already a ChatGPT user, you know how helpful it gets. It works almost exactly like the main interface. You drop in a prompt describing your business, and it generates a link to a fully functional, visually stunning website. It's powered by the same B12 engine, so you're getting that professional-grade output, but within the familiar chat interface of GPT. This is huge for entrepreneurs or solo founders who are just starting out and need to minimize costs. Instead of hiring a full development team or spending weeks learning a new software, you can just describe your vision and watch the bones of your business appear instantly. It really feels like the future of how businesses, new projects, and side hustles will get off the ground. Nowadays, the platform is being used across a massive range of industries. We've seen everyone from local fitness trainers and creative photographers to tech startups and nonprofits using it to get online. So no matter if you're running a content-heavy blog, a membership site with gated content, or just a simple landing page for a side hustle, the AI is flexible enough to handle it. And while B12 does have a marketplace of human experts like designers and SEO pros you can call on if you want that extra bit of polish, the reality is that the vast majority of users today are letting the AI do the heavy lifting. The technology has gotten so good that for most of us, the AI-generated version is already leagues ahead of what we could build ourselves. It's built to scale with you, so whether you're a solo dev or running a growing agency, the platform doesn't feel like something you'll outgrow in 6 months. At the end of the day, B12 is a powerful reminder that building a website shouldn't be the hardest part of starting a business. It's fast, incredibly easy to use, and the AI-driven editing makes it feel like the tech is finally working for you rather than the other way around. If you've been putting off your project because of the technical hurdles, I'd really suggest giving this a shot. Check out the link in the description below, start using it right away, and create your first website from just a single line prompt within a minute. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.